Let us start 13e. We have to find the curved surface area of a cone if the slant height is 60 and radius is given to be 21. Remember the cone, the base is in the form of cylinder and we have two height. The one which is oblique, we call it slant height L. Then the one which is perpendicular, we call it as H. Then we have the radius. So if we need any one of this, clearly here they make an angle 90 degree. That's why we call it right circular cone. We can apply Pythagoras Theorem. L is hypotenuse, H perpendicular, R is radius. So like here you see we have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface means we are talking only about this one. The formula will be pi r L. R we know already given to be 21. L we know to be 60. So that means we can apply the formula directly. So here we have the slant height to be 60, the radius to be 21. So the formula we know it is pi RL. So pi we know 22 by 7. R we know 21. L we know 60. So its area, the unit will be centimeter square. So 7 and 21 we can cancel. Multiply all this. We will get the answer. Please complete the multiply yourself. 22 into 3 into 60. Then number 2. We have the radius of cone is 7 cm. The area of curved surface is 176. They give us the area. They give us the radius. What is the aim? We have to find the slant height. We have the curved surface area. We know the formula. So let's make use of that only. So we take the slant height to be L. Curved surface area is given to be 176 cm square. We know the formula to be pi RL. Pi, we know the value 22 by 7. R already given to be 7. L we don't know. Okay, so we'll have to find out that. Here 7 is down, 7 is up. We can cancel. We are left with 22 L. So we want L. This is in 2. If I transfer this side, it will become divide. So we divide 176 by 22. So please divide yourself. You'll find that the slant height equal to be 8 centimeters square. So 1 centimeter will goes out here. The slant height will remain 8 cm. Then next we'll have number 3. The radius is given to be 5 cm. The vertical height now they give us that height in the middle. It is equal to 12 cm. But what we have to find? Curved surface area. But we know the formula for curved surface area is pi RL. We need the slant height. So before we proceed to find the curved surface area, let us find the slant height. Then like what I told you, we can apply Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, because if we look at the cone, then here we will have slant height like hypotenuse, vertical height as perpendicular, radius as the base. Okay, so there we can write L square equal to H square plus P square. L we don't know, let it be. Vertical height we know 12, so 12 square plus the base we can write 5 square. 12 into 12, 144. 5 into 5, 25. So 144 plus 25 we get 169. Now we want only L, we don't want square, so we can put square root this side. So you can find out the square root of 169. It will be equal to 13 cm. You can use prime factorization or you can use long division method. So remember, for long division method, first of all, we group 9 and 6. Then we try to get 1. Okay, we have to go with perfect number. 1 into 1, 2 into 2 like that. So 1 into 1 we have 1. 1 minus 1, 0. We bring down 6, 9. Then here you do 1 plus 1, 2. Try to introduce a new number so that it will fit what we have here, 69. If you do 21 into 1, it will not fit. 22 into 2 will not fit. But 23 into 3, it will be 69. So the answer will not be this one. It will be 13. So that means the slant height is equal to 13. Now we get the slant height. We can easily find the curved surface area. We know the formula for curved surface area is pi RL. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we have from the question 5. L we just find out 13. Okay. So here we cannot cancel. What to do? You multiply 22, 5 with 13. After you multiply, you will get it as 1430. Then we have 7 down, let it remain, okay? So after that, we can divide. 7 into 2, 14, 700, 74, 28. Then it is non-terminating, so we can take at least 2 number after decimals. It's the area, the unit will be centimeter square. Let's move on to the next question. We have here to find, now we will have to find the total surface area. They give us the radius is 6 cm, the height is 8 cm. Radius 6, height mean vertical height. They give us to be 8 cm. So to get the surface area, again we need the slant height. So that also we have to find, okay? So like, again we can use Pythagoras Theorem. L square equal to h square plus r square. H we know to be 8 square, so 8 into 8, 64. R we know 6, 6 into 6, 36. So 64 plus 36 will be 100. So we don't want L square, we want only L, so we can put square root. So square root of 100, we know it is 10 cm. We get the slant height, so now we can use the formula. The formula for total surface area, remember, we have to take the curve surface area along with area of circles. So if we take common, it will come out to be pi r L plus r. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we know 6. L we already calculate, it is 10. Okay, we can replace. And then R 6. So here inside bracket we have plus. So let's plus it. 10 plus 6 will be 16. Then 6 into 22, we have 132. We cannot cancel. So multiply them these two. Please check the multiply yourself. You'll get 2112. Then this one 7 down, okay? So we divide. After we divide here also we see non-terminating. So we can take at least 2 number after decimals. Move on to the next. We have the height. Here again, the vertical height is given to be 21 cm. We have to find the area of the base. Area of the base means we have to find the area of circle because the base of the cone is in the form of circle. We have the slant height to be 28 cm. We have the vertical height, we have the slant height, but we don't know the radius. So we have to make use of that facts, okay? Again, we have to use Pythagoras Theorem. That is L square equal h square plus r square. L we know 28, so you put square. H you know 21 square plus r square. 28 you multiply with 28, you will get it 784. Check multiply yourself. 21 into 21, 441. You can check yourself. We want to find out r. So this is plus. If I take this side, become minus. Then instead of plus, now we can put equal. After you minus them, you will get 343. But we don't want r square, we want only r, so we put square root, okay? So 343 you can r square we have, so there it is not a perfect square, so let's leave it for the time being because our main aim is not to get the radius, it is to get the area of the base. So area of the base of cone, remember the form of circle, so it will be pi r square. So pi we know 22 by 7, r just now we get square root 343. But here we have square, so whole square. 22 by 7, let it be like that. Here we have square, so this square and square root will get cancelled. We are left with 343. 343 we can divide by 7, it will come 49. So now 22 by into 49. So you multiply it, that will be the area of the base. You please multiply yourself. Then next we have the radius and slant height. They give us the ratio, okay? R by L equal 4 into 7. Then the curved surface area is given to be 7 to 9. We have to find radius. So we can use the ratio first because they give us 4 by 7. So let's take the ratio of radius to be R, slant height to be L, okay? So here R, we can transpose this one that side. R will be 4 by pi L. Then they give us the surface area of cone to be 792 cm square. We know the formula for curved surface area. It is pi r L. Pi we know 22 by 7. R we get from here, okay? 4 by 7L. So instead of R, we can replace that. L remain L. So this 2, we can transpose that side. L into L, L square. 7 and 7, they are down. If I transpose this side, they'll become up. These 2, they are up if we take them down. Okay. So here we can divide. 22 divide 7 to 9, we get 36. Again, 36 divide 4, we get 9. So here we have to get only L. We can put square root that side. Square root of 9 will be 3. Square root of 7 and 7, we take out 7. So L equal 21. Then to get radius, we have to replace here 4 by 7 L. Okay. So 4 by 7. Then instead of L, we put 21. So 7 divide 21, we have 3. 3 into 4, 12. So the radius of the cone, it's given to be 12 cm. We want only the radius, so that is enough. Then next number 7, they give us the area of the curved surface is 60 pi cm square. The slant height is given to be 8. Again, we have to find the radius of the base. We have the curved surface area. Let's make use of that. Curved surface area formula we know, pi RL. So pi and pi from both sides can be cancelled. R we don't know, let it be there. L we know to be 8. So here we have to find R. So 8 we transfer that side, transfer. Okay, multiply. If transfer become divide. So if we divide it, we will get radius. So the radius of the base is given to be 7.5 cm.